Hello everyone, my name is Untitled Chapter. I'm from Triton College and I'm here to show you how to actually assemble and use a face shield. We are making these during this COVID time for anybody that needs them, first responders, medical personnel, and other essential employees. So we made our face shield using our Epilogue laser. We don't have a 3D printer access right now, so we actually lasered also the brim. And this face shield will come to you like this with plastic covering both sides. When you remove it, each side you'll end up with a nice clear film that looks like this. So to remove the face shield material, you'd want to peel it off. I'm not going to peel it off completely on this sample because we have one already done. And you have to peel it off on both sides. Now, regarding peeling it off, you might have to pick at it for a while to just pull it off, just to make sure you can get to the clear plastic coating. Okay, and then it comes right off. Okay, that's how it works. I'm going to leave the coating on this one. This one, the coating is off. You might receive one of two different types of headgear. One has a little slot on both sides, the other one doesn't. Doesn't matter which one you get, they both work the same way. What you would do is you would take it in. There's a little slot cut into here. All you got to do is slide it in there, and behind the notch is where you want the plastic to go. So if you look at that, then you rinse and repeat on the other side. Just pop it in, and have to step away for a minute to do this, and you just basically make sure it's all the way inside the notch and slide it right in, and it just tucks in, as I like to say, behind the ears. The last step is using the foam. This is actually packing foam, so if you have any type of allergies or whatnot, you might have to cover this with medical tape. But the packing foam was donated to us by Pregus. They were very kind to give us this. And then what we do with it is we put it in here so that we can create, and you'll just basically, with the slot, it takes a few minutes. I have to hold it against me. You can put this on before or after you put on the face shield, that's up to you. But basically you're sliding it on so that you have a little bit of a barrier between you and the edge of the plastic. So it sits comfortably on your forehead. There you go. I just pop it in there. A little bit of work. Now, our visors, what we'll call it right now, come with two options already built into them. Little holes on both sides so you can put in string, okay, and little hooks if you intend to use basically rubber bands. So I'm going to put a rubber band on this one. And you basically hold it, stretch it, and put it on. And now you have a form of protection for yourself when you are working with other people, in addition to, of course, wearing your face mask. There's a double protection. Hopefully this video helped you, and if you need any of these, let me know. Try to help as many people as we can to provide these for first responders and other essential employees. Thank you.